Hi, I'm Ben. I'm here to learn English.
And I'm Emma. I'm here to help.
Let's learn together.
Let's learn together. Ben, I'm so excited. We're finally going on a road trip next weekend.
Yes, I can't wait. I love road trips.
Exactly. It's like a holiday, but the car is a big part of the adventure.
Where are we going first?
I was thinking we could drive to the mountains on the first day, then visit a small town near the river.
That sounds great. How far is it?
The mountains are about 3 hours away by car.
3 hours is perfect. We can listen to music, talk, and enjoy the views. What should we pack?
Well, for a road trip, I think we need snacks, drinks, map, camera, clothes.
Good list. I'll also bring sunglasses and a hat just in case it's sunny.
Yes, and maybe a blanket for the car.
A blanket?
Yes, in case we stop at a park and want to sit outside.
Great idea.
When you go on a road trip, do you like to stop and eat in small cafes or bring your own food?
Both. I like homemade sandwiches, but I also enjoy finding small local restaurants.
Yes, eating local food is part of the adventure.
Do you remember our last trip? We stopped at that bakery in the countryside. The bread was amazing.
Yes, and the owner was so friendly.
What kind of music should we play in the car?
Something fun and happy. Music that makes you feel excited to travel.
Yes, and we can make a playlist before we go. We can also listen to podcasts or audiobooks if we want something different.
Good idea. Listening to English podcast on a trip is a great way to practice. Will you drive the whole way, or should we take turns?
We can take turns. Taking turns means one person drives for some time, then the other person drives.
That way, no one gets too tired.
Yes, and we can both enjoy looking at the scenery sometimes. When I was a kid, we always played games in the car,
Like what?
like I spy. You say, I spy with my little eye something, and give a clue, and the other person guesses.
Yes, that's fun. We could also play 20 questions. You think of something, and the other person has 20 chances to guess.
Games make the time go faster.
We should also talk about safety.
Yes, we must always wear seatbelts, drive at a safe speed, and take breaks every 2 hours. And don't forget to check the car before we go. The tires, the fuel, the lights.
What do you want to see on this trip?
I want to visit small villages, try different foods, and take photos of interesting buildings.
I want to go hiking in the mountains, walking in nature for fun or exercise.
We should also visit a local market. They're always full of colors and smells.
Yes, and maybe we can buy souvenirs.
Sometimes the best part of a road trip is the unexpected things.
Yes, like finding a waterfall you didn't know about or meeting friendly people in a small town.
Last year, we stopped because we saw a sign for fresh strawberries, and we ended up picking strawberries for an hour.
That was amazing and delicious.
A road trip is not just about the destination, it's about the journey.
Yes, and all the little adventures along the way.
Today we learned road trip, snacks, local, playlist, take turns, scenery, seatbelt, fuel, hiking, souvenirs, camping.
Try using these words when you talk about travel or adventures. If you liked this episode, please subscribe to our channel so you don't miss the next one.
And give this video a like. It really helps us make more lessons for you.
Thank you for listening, everyone.
Take care, keep practicing English, and goodbye.
Goodbye.